Hey guys, you are looking at a Etsy listing, a comic book listing for $148. It shows that it's the bestseller, 20 views in the last 24 hours. Guys, this is how you do your research if you're looking to sell products on Etsy. The reason this comic book is priced so high is because it is a custom comic book. It is detailed for your special occasion. It's hard to find. And guys, I'm going to drill down uh, this product to see if it's actually selling, because that's what you want to do when you do your research. You want to make sure the product is actually selling. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go into the store and take a look to see what they have. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can have this comic book done for you and the listing done for you so you can make that $100 profit, at least $100. Okay, so let's finish and dive into completing the research of this product. I'm going to go inside the store to see what other items is being sold. So this is inside the store, and I see that he has other comic books, storybooks for sale for $148. He only has 14 products in his store. All are storybooks, comic books, different occasions. And I want to go to the reviews to see if he's actually selling. Today's date is June the 21st, and it looks like he made a sale yesterday, the day before. And guys, not everyone is going to leave a review. So I'm guessing that he's making about 3 to 5 sales per day. And at $148 each, that is a wonderful product to sell in a major profit. So guys, that's how I know this is the direction I want to go in. So now I'm gonna get into how you can have your storybook comic books done for you at a fraction of the cost, probably about $20, $30 to have it done. And you're going to receive free mock-ups to list all of your listings. So guys, you won't have to start from scratch if this is a business or a product you want to sell. I'm going to show you in this video from start to finish on how you can get started and list products like this to earn $100 per sale. Let's get into it. So, guys, before I get into showing you how you can have this listing done for you and the storybook done for you, let's go over some of the mock-ups that's involved with making a sale. This is called the hero page right here, where it shows exactly what your customer is going to get. And inside this listing, you have pages like this, and all of this is required, and it helps you get a sale faster by explaining exactly what your customer is going to receive. So, guys, you're going to get a listing kit with all of your mockups, title, description, SEO tags. You're also going to get a questionnaire for your customers. I'm going to show you how it's done and the place to go to receive all of this in 1 second. I just wanted to go over what's involved. And guys, the goal is to sell this type of product and make a sale of a minimum of $100. So, guys, the place to go to is Faceless Product Generator. This is my dashboard. This website is like a hub for generators that does a lot of different products for you. But we're going to create a storybook slash comic book. So we're going to go into here, Storybook Studio. And to get started, it's very simple to create a comic book with a prompt. But before I do that, just so you know, you have an option right here. If you start selling comic books, you can use this option and they will create the comic book for you. So it's a done for you service, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a comic book from a simple prompt. To get started, guys, I'm going to go to create from prompt. I'm going to click that. And inside here is where I will put a prompt. All I have to do is put a sentence. As you can see, there are some presets down here, as simple as my dog secretly protects the neighborhood. So guys, to create your storybook or comic book, all you have to do is type in what you want that comic book to be about, and AI will take control and create your comic book. So guys, then the next selection is to select how many pages. You can do up to 24 pages if you want a tangible product. If you want it printed out, you can do up to 24 pages. And then I'm going to scroll down, and right here I have an option for the comic view, the illustration, what I want it to look like. I have all of these options right here and at the bottom here. And at the bottom right here, you can select the background view on what you want the mood to look like. So then after that, guys, you're almost done. And at this stage, you're going to add your characters. So you just hit add character, you add your photo, you add the name, you can give it a role, you can get into more detail, advanced settings if you want. But after that, guys, all you have to do after you add all of your characters is draft up the story, let AI give you the story, and then read the draft to make sure it's what you want and hit generate. And it's as simple as that. I'm going to go up to the top and show you some of my past work. I hit past projects, and I can show you right here. Let me just select one. And let's see, I go to the bottom to let you see what it looks like. You see that? So guys, this one here is a past project I was working on for a customer. And like I said, your storybook or comic book can be about anything, and it looks perfect. You see how clear this is? Gives you all different types of panels. And guys, this is how you create your storybook. You can create it, or you can have Faceless Product Generator, the team over there, create the comic book or storybook for you. And it takes less than 3 minutes to create. So after you have these pages, guys, you will go at the bottom here and select the cover for your storybook. And guys, it will grab the story from the previous pages and generate your covers. All you have to do is select generate covers for story. Right here, it's going to give me 3 options of what I want. And like I said, guys, it takes less than 3 minutes to create, and you're going to have a front cover and a back cover. And that's what it did, guys. Look at that. So I have 3 options to choose from. And now, so I have a storybook and a front and back cover. Say I wanted to export it or send it to my customer. I go and I hit export. Let me just go up and show you. I just hit export. And I'm going to come down right here where it says print and ship my book. See that? And so I have 2 options, 2 sizes. I hit print, and guys, I select the size of the book that I want. I put my name, my email, my address, the quantity. If there's a special message, I can add that. And guys, it costs $19.99 to have it shipped out to your customer. And it's that simple, guys. That's how you create your storybook and have it sent out to your customer. But now I'm going to show you how you can get a kit that entails all of the mock-ups needed for your listing. So let's get into that. So guys, I'm back at the dashboard of facelessproductgenerator.com, and I'm going to scroll down to get the free Etsy Storybook sample kit. And when I click on that, all I have to do to get this free sample kit is add my name and email address, get my kit, and it takes me here where I can see the sample pages of all of the mock-ups for my listing on Etsy. So guys, these are just samples. You can look at each one and look at the details and understand what you need to have an operating listing on Etsy. All of this is for your storybook. It will show your customers exactly what they're going to get when they order from you. And also, guys, what's involved in this is a questionnaire. You're going to get a questionnaire for your customers. And that way, when you get a customer, all you have to do is send them the questionnaire, they fill it out, and you bring it back to Faceless Product Generator and either create your storybook for them and have it shipped to them, or you can have the team at Faceless Product Generator create it for you. And I showed you what that is, how you can do that. So guys, I'm gonna just go and show you the plans to get started. If this is a business you want to start, right? This is what you're gonna get in order to get started with your Etsy storybook business. You're gonna get 3 ready to sell Etsy listings. For $47, guys, this is the starter business kit. You're going to get 3 ready to sell Etsy listings. That's going to include your mockups, your SEO title, your description, your tags, your customer questionnaire, guys. You're going to get all of that. Plus, you're going to be able to do up to 5 personalized 24-page storybooks with this one-time payment. So you pay $47, you're going to be able to create 3 different storybook listings in Etsy, and you're going to get all the mock-ups, the SEO titles and descriptions, and you're going to get the questionnaire. Plus, you're going to be able to create 5 storybooks. So that's 5 customers that you can create with this package deal. So guys, that's the first kit, startup business kit. The second, growth business kit, $89 one-time fee. You're going to get everything that the starter business kit entails. Plus, instead of 3, you're going to get 5 Etsy listings, up to 10 personalized storybook creation, guys. You're going to be able to do 10 in this package here. And you get all the mock-ups, the titles, the description, the questionnaire. Plus, if you want Faceless Product Generator to create your storybooks, they can do that as well. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how that's done as well. So the last kit, the Pro Business Kit, is $149. You're going to get up to 10 Etsy listings, guys. These are different listings. So just imagine you're able to create a storybook, customized listing for weddings, for anniversaries, for graduations. You're going to be able to have 10 different types of Etsy listings. Then you're going to be able to create with this package 25 personalized 24-page storybooks. So you get your mock-ups and everything, your titles, your description, your tags, and your questionnaire for your customers. And you only pay a one-time $149 fee. So guys, that's what's included in the 3 packages. You can check it out and see which one is best for you. And that's how you start your Etsy storybook business. So let's get into how you can have Faceless Product Generator, the team over there, create your storybook for you. If that's something you don't want to do, you think it's too much involved, you don't want to do it for whatever reason, now you can have it done for you. And let me show you how that's done. Okay, guys, I'm back at the dashboard of facelessproductgenerator.com. And to create your storybook, say you don't want to do it and you want to have it done for you, you're going to go to Storybook Studio. And guys, on this page, instead of starting create from prompt, you're going to start by have Faceless Product Generator create it for me. And you're going to click this tab here. You're going to fill out your information. what the storybook title is, the occasion, and that questionnaire that's given to you inside your free kit. You're going to upload the questionnaire here. See that? You want to upload the questionnaire, uh, give any and all details for your storybook. And guys, the team at Faceless Product Generator is going to create the storybook for you. We're going to send you a sample that you can look over and give to your customer to make sure it's right. And guys, the cost for this process is $20 to submit it. You understand? So when you submit this questionnaire, we're going to create it for you, and the cost is $20 per creation. And then we're going to ship it out to your customer as well. So guys, that's how it goes. That's how you can have it done for you. I'm going to go over the kit again. Just to let you know, you get a free kit sample. And if you decide that you want to continue and create your first Etsy storybook listing, then you got to select a plan, and we will customize the listings for you. And it's that simple, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Ask me any questions, contact me, let me know how you're going to get started. And if you have any questions, I'm available.